Today we have the cordless flat iron with us. It is very portable, convenient, and it has a nice little design with the rose gold tips. It has a 3-level power with the temperature 320, 360, and 400 Fahrenheit. And down below we have the power button, which is just one click, and as you can see, it is on. And then you just adjust to which temperature you want using the power button. On the end, we have 2 different ports. This straightener can also be used as a power bank, which is very convenient. And then it comes with the charging one, which you will use the black cord that it provides to charge your straightener. And let me show you, we have just a white cord that I'm gonna plug in here to show you that it will charge this tablet that I have. So you can see it is powered on, which is very convenient. And in case you ever need to charge your phone, tablet, it can do that. It also comes with the portable bag, which is small, handy, and can fit in most anything. Just close it up, put it in, and then there you have your cordless straightener. One cool feature that I like about it is it has the auto off and on, so in case you forget to turn it off after 30 minutes of not use, it will automatically turn off so you don't have to worry about setting your house on fire. It is a really good quality straightener, and it's also super convenient, and I hope that you will purchase yours today. Thank you. As a straightener, it is very useful and convenient. If you have curly hair and you want to straighten it, or if you have straightened hair and you need to fix a couple flyaways, you can just pull out your cordless straightener, take a piece of hair, hold it at the top, and then just pull down, and then you have your straight pieces of hair with this amazing cordless. As you can see, I turned it on. I'm using the temperature 400. Take a piece of hair, and pull down. And if you want to do a little curl to your hair, you also can use it. I just doing a little twist, and it will give you a little wave to your hair.